Hey guys, so today I'm just going to be showing you what I am packing for study abroad. I'm about to be studying abroad for 6 months in Edinburgh and leaving tomorrow, so I thought I would do a quick video on what I am bringing. So we'll start with clothing. So to begin with, I've got 7 short sleeve tops. One of them is a thermal and one of them is a bit more formal, just in case I have any events, and the rest are just casual shirts. Which I hope to be able to layer and that sort of thing, and then when it gets a bit warmer, just wear on their own. I'm also bringing 4 long sleeve tops. So I've got 4 long sleeve tops, and then I wore another one on the plane. As you'll find throughout this video, I didn't film anything I wore on the plane, so I'll just tell you. But yeah, I completely forgot, honestly. So next we've got the 2 gym leggings and the 3 thermal leggings I'm bringing, again for layering. I'm going from 30 degrees to 5 or something like that, so bit of a difference, don't want to get too cold. I am also bringing 3 sets of jeans, so yeah, those 3, and then I also wore a different set of black ones on the plane again. I am also going to be bringing 3 eye masks. I use these at home to sleep as well, so it's not exactly a travel thing for me, it's actually just I like using them to sleep. So yeah, those will be coming with me as well. I'm also bringing 2 sweaters. These are the ones I kind of wear the most on Australian summers, Australian winters, and a hoodie. I didn't want to bring too many. I do have more, but I didn't want to bring too many given how much room they take up in the suitcase, you know? So only those 2 and the hoodie. Then I've also got 3 scarves, which are one infinity one, the black one there. I've also got a black and white grey one that's just a long fluffy one that my mum made me, and then my Hufflepuff scarf because I am a proud Hufflepuff. So next I think we've got like the accessories, so winter accessories apart from scarves. So we've got a beanie. I don't really wear beanies at home and I don't have that many, so I'm only bringing that one beanie. And I figure I will just get a nice beanie that I like over in Scotland, because trying to get one in Australia right now is absurd. And then 2 pairs of gloves. One of them is just a normal pair and one of them is able to be used with the phones, so that's awesome. I'm also bringing a few bits and bobs of my jewellery. In this case that is from a Brisbane brand. I will link them down below because they're actually like amazing for travel, so yeah. And then I've also got shoes, obviously. So I've got my boots. These are just like a Chelsea boot, I guess, and they are from Skechers. They've got memory foams, so I'm hoping they'll be comfy for a lot of walking. Then we've got my trainers, which I will hopefully be using again. I am planning to try and go to the gym of some sort. I also forgot to film my Converse, which I wore on the plane. So moving into stationery, we have my A4 binder with 3 binder books and then a heap of plastic sleeves. That's just how I like to do my notes. I'm hoping it'll work while I'm in Scotland as well, but yeah, that's what those are. So yeah, as I say, I'm hoping that it'll work the same system, but we'll see how we go. I'm also going to be bringing my to-do list journal. This is literally just I write my daily to-dos, nothing too exciting. And then we've also got my calendar, which is where I keep all like the events that I need to go to and that sort of thing. I've also got my pencil case. Like the jewelry, I'm not going to unpack every item, but it's got all the essentials: scissors, pens, stapler, I think even, highlighters, all that sort of jazz, so that I don't have to run out before uni and get stuff. Moving into tech, we've got my camera, we've got my headphones, which are noise cancelling and able to be used in the airplane jacks as well. It's got a little adapter, so super awesome for travel, and I think they're Sony maybe, but they're pretty common across all brands. I've got my CD drive. My laptop doesn't have a CD drive, so that's that. My touchscreen pen, my mouse, and my hard drive. So obviously bringing the hard drive because I don't want to lose things. I didn't film my laptop because at this point I was still using it quite often and I didn't really want to disconnect it all just yet. I didn't do that till like last minute. So yeah, those are all of those. And yeah, I think that's all that I was packing for Edinburgh. So I will see you in my future vlogs. And yeah, hope this was helpful for someone.